This is my intro song. It isn't very long. That's all. Go ahead. Go on, watch the video. Yay! Hi everyone, welcome back to BEARY Q Nails. It's Pedro here. Welcome back to all my beautiful diamond cubs. Welcome back. As always, I love having you here and always welcome you with a big bear hug. Love y'all so much. If you're new here, welcome to BEARY Q Nails. I'm so excited to have you here, and I'm very excited about today's video. We are doing a lovely unboxing today for something that I've been waiting for a little bit. It's been making the rounds on Instagram and TikTok and YouTube. It is certainly spreading across the world, darling. I'm so excited for the package I received from GALORENAILS, honey. From GALORENAILS. Acrylic application and art design. That is what they specialize in, honey. GALORENAILS. What I got here are her nail cards, and I'm so excited. So, let's zoom out a little bit. So let's flip this over. I love this. She put "Thank you, Pooh Bear." She is so sweet and so kind. The sweetest person, and amazing customer service. The shipping was like in 3 days. It was so fast. I love this. Thank you so much for personalizing it and making it so sweet. As you can see, I already cut into the box. So we are going to open it up. And first, she gave me a little free goodie. We got some stickers, honey. These are so nice. These are beautiful. Tory Burch. Honey, Tory Burch. But when you want to feel fancy. I love these. So these were just like nice little free gift that's included when you buy the nail cards. So there's 2 decks. I got deck 1 and deck 2. Deck 1, from what I understand, is a great starter deck. Obviously, it's number 1, and this is what you want to start with, and has general but awesome and unique designs for you to create a fabulous nail set. Whenever you're having those moments of, I don't know what I want to do today on my nails, or you maybe know what shape you want but don't know what theme, or there might be, you don't know if you want to do like short nails or long. So this is just a nice little tool to make it a little fun. Doing your nails is already fun, let's admit it, honey, but this will definitely make it a little more exciting. So this is deck 1. Okay, and on the back you already see one of the cards says stickers. So this would be one of the cards. If you pulled it, that would mean, okay, so I need to put some stickers on this nail design. So let's open her up. So gorgeous, the packaging. I love the stickers. Her logo is beautiful. So here we go. Nailed It nail cards. Inspirational nail art design cards. A GALORENAILS product. Alright, so it gives you instructions. Alright, how to use. You're going to shuffle the entire deck. You or your client must choose at least 1 card from each category. Follow the indicated suggestions to complete the final look. The real way to play is to just have fun. Hashtag nailed it. So this is great. So this is a perfect item to give any nail enthusiast in your life, whether they're a DIYer, at-home nail enthusiast like I am, and definitely a beginner. But I would think, this one might be a fun tool for even professional nail techs to use with their clients. You have a little, all right, pick a card. You can have a little game with your clients. Hey, I know sometimes y'all back to back, but I definitely think this is a great tool. So, all right, so this says, Nailed It is a 50-card deck full of unlimited art inspiration. Design block is a thing of the past, boo-boo. Now you and your client can create the most distinctive nail sets possible. So, these decks contain 3 treasure cards, 3 wild cards, 4 length cards, 5 shape cards, 10 theme cards, 10 accent cards, and 14 amazing color combo cards to ensure unique creativity. Ms. Galore Nails wishes you nothing but the best on your nail journey. So, I'm not going to show y'all everything, but I'm just going to briefly go through, give you some examples. So you saw the stickers, we have drips, flame, animal theme, kawaii, which is so adorable, Japanese for cutesy stuff, magical. Ooh, we got our length cards, long, extra long, short. We got shapes. We've got the color cards. So this is so exciting, and I cannot wait to do sets with these. I actually think, and heard it through the grapevine, that people actually laminate these cards. So they don't come laminated. So obviously that's what keeps the prices good. But if by any chance I do, because I'm a DIY crafter, me and hubby like to do crafts at home, and he's a teacher, so he needs things for school. So he has a laminator. So if you would like, you can lay all these on a sheet and just laminate these to prevent any sort of damage. They're sturdy cards. They feel like a deck of playing cards. But playing cards obviously bend. The more you use them, the edges might get a little frayed. Some polish or some sort of, whatever that you're using while doing nails could get on them. So I heard that some people actually, stick these all on a sheet, laminate, and cut them so they can keep them fresh forever. So that's pretty awesome. So I'm gonna go through and just briefly show you deck 2. So deck 2, I've been told, is a little bit more advanced. Literally the same type of situation, kiss kiss, that is in deck 1. So, same stuff. 50 card deck, has all the wild cards, the length, shape, themes, accents, colors, all that. But this one is a little bit more of an advanced deck, okay? So we have our same length cards. We have wild cards, so this is like a mix and match. Pick 2 shapes from the category. Noodle art, 3D roses, lettering, ooh, glow, layers, glass, themes, designer, goth, stone, unconventional, and we have colors, silver, ooh, piercing, honey. Imagine, I'm gonna do nipple piercings on my fingers. I think that'll be cute. But I mean, so you can see this one is a little bit more advanced with some of the techniques for the art, but still, I think you would get great value, whichever one you decide. Based on what I've seen so far, I would definitely recommend starting out with deck 1, or you can purchase both together. And don't quote me, but I believe you get a deal if you buy both at the same time as opposed to separate. So I want to thank Ms. Galore Nails so much for sending this over to me. I did purchase these from her, and I got them super fast, and this was a nice little freebie that she included. So here, all right, so this is her Instagram. It is Miss__Galore Nails. So that's 2 underscores. So when you get to her page, you will just go and click on the Nailed It cards. Sorry, I don't know why my internet. And it will have a bunch of stuff about it, info that you might be curious about. It'll explain how to order, and just send her a nice DM and she will get back to you so you can get your own set of nail cards, either for you, like I said, or for the nail enthusiast in your life, nail techs, social media creators, social media influencers. Even if you are a person that doesn't do any social media and you're just a person that likes to sit at home and do your nails by yourself in the quiet of your own peaceful home, listening to some Erykah Badu with a J and some dark liquor. But definitely go and follow her on Instagram, Miss MS__Galore Nails on Instagram. She's also on TikTok and on YouTube. Definitely check out her YouTube channel. She uses the nail cards and she is very talented at what she does. And she is a fabulous person. So definitely head over, buy you some nail cards. I can't wait to use these on some sets coming up. And I can't wait to see y'all see me try to see what I can come up with. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you are a Diamond Cub, thank you so much for sticking around and watching and coming back. I love y'all so much. If you are new here and are not subscribed, I hope this video entertained you for a few minutes and maybe convince you just to click that red button and subscribe to BEARY Q Nails so you can join the Diamond Cubs in our little family. I love the community that we're building here, and this is a space for positivity, love, happiness, and all the good things. Because there's too much negativity and hate in the world, and we need to try and fight that back. So, stay very cute, everybody. I love y'all so much. I'll see y'all next time.